Here are 5 things about algebra that I always forget. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what they are. So next time you're working on a test, your brain doesn't look like this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, number 1, how to find slope in problems. So in this problem, step 1 is to write the slope-intercept form, which is y minus the y in your problem, which in this case is 5, equals m, x minus the y in your equation, which is -3. So y minus 5 equals m times x plus 3. But how do you find the m? That's the one we don't have. So that's where this comes in. M equals fraction bar. Put the y's on top, which let's do 5 minus 1 and -3 minus 1. So this equals 4 over -4, which is equal to -1. So your slope is -1. So instead of having this m here, you've got -1. So this is how you find the slope. This is the problem. That's the answer to the problem. Also, we could do this equation here, but if you did put that other equation in there, it would still be right. Also, you see that I put x plus 3 here, but it's actually x minus the x in the problem. That brings us to our second point, which is subtracting by a negative number is a positive number. So if I had x minus the x in the problem, that's -3. And so x minus this -3 is plus 3. You can find out when you have to add a plus, because if there's a negative sign right next to a minus sign, then you can combine them and it becomes a plus. So that would be plus 3. Number 3, switching the signs around inequalities while dividing by negative numbers. So in this problem, -4 times x plus 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 5. When you get down to -7x is less than or equal to 7, you divide by -7. But you see, you gotta circle this. You gotta circle because it changes. So the answer, when you divide by negative numbers, it actually switches, and the answer to this problem would be -1. Number 4, combining powers when adding roots. In the problem, 6 cubed root 5 plus cube root 5, you don't actually add these 3's here. You don't add the powers. You actually just add the front numbers. And this also stays the same. So it's actually 14 cube root 5. And finally, number 5, solving this kind of specific word problem. And it shows up very frequently, so this will be a useful tool. So the word problem is tickets to Gone to the Wind at the classic movie house cost $4.50 for adults and $2 for children. If 45 people attend the Saturday matinee showing at the classic movie house, they sold $162.50 worth of tickets. How many adults attended the showing and how many children attended the showing? So you can put children as x. Children are x and adults are y. That they look like the same. Adults are y. So how do you solve it? Well, you could do when you just write everything down. It takes forever and nobody likes that way because it takes too much to work, and yeah. But let me show you a secret. On your calculator, see this button right here. No, not that button. On your calculator, you can press second, and then the tan button, which actually, because you press second, is system solved. Press enter, and you type in the numbers. Press enter again, and it solves it for you. Kind of feels like cheating, but it's not, because my teacher told me I could do it. And that's 5 ways on how to learn math. And that's 5 things I always forget about math. Let's go! Wait. Equals m times x. So why am I? And -3 minus 1. No. Sorry. And let me see. -3 minus 1. I was right. Obviously. Also, you see that I put to our second poem. You can see in the problem cube root 5. In the problem cube root 6 plus. That's still filming. Yes. If 45 people attend the Saturday manatee. Let me show you a secret. I'll get my calculator. I think I actually broke my whiteboard.